In a world where healthcare shapes the future of humanity, Zenith Drugs Limited stands as a symbol of trust, precision, and innovation. With a strong global vision and an unwavering commitment to quality, Zenith Drugs has established itself as a reliable pharmaceutical manufacturing partner for international markets. Guided by excellence and driven by science, we deliver solutions that make a meaningful difference in people's lives across the globe. At Zenith Drugs, our state-of-the-art tablet manufacturing facility is designed in full compliance with global cGMP requirements, ensuring the highest standards of quality, safety, and regulatory excellence. Our manufacturing journey begins with scientific dispensing of raw materials under controlled conditions, supported by strict documentation practices and complete data integrity systems. This is followed by advanced granulation processes, ensuring uniformity, optimal flow properties, and consistent formulation performance. The granules then move to high-speed compression machines, where precision-engineered tooling converts them into tablets with accurate weight, hardness, and content uniformity. For products requiring enhanced stability and patient compliance, automated coating systems apply uniform film layers under controlled parameters. Every tablet undergoes rigorous in-process quality checks and inspection, supported by modern quality control laboratories operating under GLP standards. Through round-the-clock testing and comprehensive quality assurance oversight, we ensure zero-defect performance in every batch. Our fully automated packing lines offer multiple packaging formats, including blister packs, aloo packs, and bulk packaging, ensuring product stability, traceability, and global compliance. With a robust production capacity of 300 million tablets per month, Zenith Drugs is equipped to meet large-scale international demand without ever compromising on quality or reliability. Innovation continues to drive our growth. Through continuous research, bioequivalence studies, and process optimization, we develop cost-effective pharmaceutical solutions that address evolving global healthcare needs. At Zenith Drugs, quality is not just a process, it is our culture. Compliance is not just a requirement, it is our responsibility. Partnership is not just business, it is long-term commitment.